What if I could provide you with a system that supercharged your affiliate marketing and promotion and cut your work in half, essentially, potentially doubling or even tripling your affiliate income earnings potential without doubling your workload? Enter the Leads Leap Recruiter Funnel System. This revolutionary tool is designed for anyone looking to boost their affiliate marketing game. Imagine advertising and promoting not just one, but multiple affiliate programs inside of a personalized funnel set up just for you. It's simple. Sign up for at least one affiliate program from our selection and watch your income potential skyrocket. By securing your spot, you'll replace the funnel's link with your own, turning it into a money-making machine. Want even more? Join both programs, and you unlock a treasure trove of bonuses like extra affiliate links and promotional resources curated to maximize your success. It's like having a marketing team in your pocket. Still waiting? Now is the perfect time to take action. Request your custom Leads Leap Recruiter Funnel System today and step into a world where your earning potential knows no bounds. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it your reality with the new Leads Leap Recruiter Funnel System at your side.